This is a general video on how to use your footholds in climbing, and here we go. Footholds have two locations where you can place your feet. The most obvious one is dead center. This allows for easy vertical movement, but we also have the corner/edges. When going sideways, to get additional pushing power from your feet, place your foot on the edge or partially on the edge. This allows you to drag your body towards the desired handhold much better than if you were to just try this with your feet on the center of the foothold. On slopey footholds, drop the heel to maximize rubber contact on the hold, which will help prevent slipping. If you plan to rotate on the foothold, if applicable, place it in a half rotated position already. This will make it much easier to transfer from your feet to the rotated position to the next hold much more easily, if that makes sense. On really small footholds, treat it as smearing with wall assistance. Unless you have really nice fitted shoes, then go for the normal toe placement. That was the video, and I'll see you next time, partner.